Hi everyone. How to install Android TV on a USB drive. If you want to experience Android TV on your PC without replacing your current setup, today's video is perfect for you. Today, I'll show you how to install Android TV on a USB flash drive. This means you can basically plug it into any computer, and you'll get a fully functional Android TV experience. Let's get started. First, download the Android TV ISO image file. This is the Android TV OS that we'll be putting on your USB drive. You can find link download in the description or pinned top comment. You'll also need a tool called Rufus, which will help us create a bootable USB drive. Download Rufus from its official website. Open up Rufus. And select your USB drive from the device drop-down. Choose the Android TV image file downloaded. Make sure to set the file system to FAT32. Now, hit that start button and let Rufus do its magic. Once the process is complete, you will have a bootable Android TV drive. But we're not finished yet. The Android TV USB drive contains a data 4 GB compressed file that needs to be extracted to the same location. You can choose a tool like 7-Zip or WinRAR to do this. Just right-click on the file and select Extract here. After extracting the zip file, you should get this data. IMG file. The disk image is like an expansion pack. It provides extra storage for apps, user data, and settings. This might also contain pre-configured settings and optimizations for Android TV to run smoothly. We're almost there. Now, restart your computer, and enter into the boot menu. Select a USB drive from the list, and hit enter. Your computer should now boot into Android TV. Now the system is initializing. After that, you will be greeted with the familiar setup process. Select your language. Connect to the Wi-Fi network. If your Wi-Fi adapter doesn't work, you can connect an Ethernet cable. After connecting an Ethernet cable, just select Virtual Wi-Fi, and you will be successfully connected to the internet. Select Android TV. Press ESC on your keyboard to bypass this screen. And that's it, you have now got Android TV running on a USB drive. And it's ready to plug and play on any compatible device like a laptop, mini PC, desktop, or even some smart TVs that can boot from USB. You can stream, install apps, and even play some Android games, just like a real Android box. And there you have it, a simple way to turn any old PC into an Android TV powerhouse. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tutorials, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future uploads.